Alright, welcome back everybody. Been a long time since I made a video last, but we got about a foot of snow throughout the night last night. Started off yesterday. Yesterday was Sunday. Started off Sunday morning. It was all ice. We had like probably a quarter, I don't know, eighth of an inch of ice probably. Coated everything. I ended up going out to go to church yesterday and it got canceled about the time I pulled in the driveway. I got the text, so it was pretty nasty. People were sliding all over, but I got home today from work. Like I said, I woke up, had a foot of snow this morning. I did end up going into work. Roads were pretty bad, but made it in the Duramax there. I got home and now I don't have power. So I had power when I left this morning, and now I don't. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the tractor started, let that start warming up here. I'm gonna go check on the boiler because that does not, it won't pump water through the house or the shop, and the fan to feed the fire won't kick on without power. So what I think I'm gonna do is throw the bucket on the front of the tractor here, head out, grab my generator from the cabin, bring that, set that up, try to get that running, get it plugged in, try to get my heat going again, and then assuming that goes as planned, I'll start plowing everything out here. So follow along, see what we can do. Hopefully we get everything back up and running. Sorry it's so dark in here. So it's still pretty warm in there. Water time is water temp's like 160. So should be fine. Power must have just gone out not that long ago. The shop's still warm here. So, like I said, the power couldn't have been out for that long. Yeah, it's still like 53 or 52, which is what I leave it set at. I just shut the thermostat off. Or yeah, they set the thermostat to the lowest level in here, and it usually stays about 50 some until it gets really cold. So let's go get the generator. I gotta clean these quick attach plates off. I knew I should have done it last night, but I didn't. Otherwise the pins on the loader won't go through these attachment holes. Should do it. Choker. I got to go down in the cellar and shut off my main breaker so I'm not back feeding. Alright, that should do it. And then I only want to feed my well. I don't know how much I can actually feed with that generator. Definitely the well. Shut off. Dryer. Heaters. Washing machine. Garage. Into my main panel there in the basement. See if that did anything or not. Huh. Alright, so the one I forgot to turn on is this one, which I had covered in tape so it wouldn't get turned on accidentally. But this is my wiring that runs to my barn where my generator sits into the panel, or from my barn into the panel. So I gotta turn that on. And then that will start back feeding. Just had my dehumidifier kick on. So I'm gonna go check the well pump just kicked on and cycled off. Let's go check the boiler and see if the fan kicks on and starts. Well, actually it's up to temp, so the fan won't kick on, but I should have power now to the circulator pump, so let's see if that's the case. Yep, they're running. So it should be good. Fan should cycle when this thing gets down to 150. It's a low temp set point. That kicks on. A fan kicks on for my slot hood above the door there. All right, I should have heat again now, so let's go out and do some snow plowing. So really all I do is I just push it all the way from the back usually, unless it's too deep. This is actually the first time I plowed with the Kubota. I had my John Deere last year, the 4600. Usually just push it right across the road, get it out of the way. It's just a field on the other side of that brush, so. And I'll head back and do the same thing again. All I'm trying to do today is get it cleaned up so I know I can get out of the house here in the morning for work. And then it's supposed to snow till like 8 tonight. So I'll probably get home from work tomorrow and clean everything up. We'll probably get a few more inches before it's done. And I'll get around everything a little bit better around the barns and the barn and the wood pile and all that. So sometimes I do a path up to the pasture there so that I know I can get up to feed hay fine. I shouldn't have any issue with this tractor. Last year I had the John Deere and that had turf tires on it. This got big ag tires, so. I just kind of float it the best I can. Seems like anytime I use a back blade I do more damage than good. I tear the yard all up and make a big mess to clean up in the spring, so I just try using the bucket. Yeah, you dig in once in a while when you don't want to, but for the most part you can float it pretty good. So I got the mailbox. Got the driveway. In this little area here, just so I can pull the truck out of the way, drive my car if I need to. I did all this area in between the house and the shop just because I'm always walking in between there. Went out and around the back of the barn so I can pull stuff in and out of the workshop. I did around the wood pile and I did up to the up to where the cows feed. So I'd call that pretty good for now. I'm gonna do some rearranging in here, see if I can get the generator in as well as the tractor, so I can get the tractor out of the snow in case I gotta plow again tomorrow, which I probably will. Can't talk with that right there, it's too noisy, but yeah, I think we're pretty good shape right now. Pumps are still running on the boiler, so all right, guess that's it for now. See you guys on the next one.